Today we're going to do some embellishing with some pieces of leather. I have played with leather before, but this is the first time I have done it by using WonderFil's instant applique, which for me is a game changer because, as you know, you can't pin pieces of leather onto anything in order to use it. So what I do is I cut out my pieces of leather first. So I pop it onto the instant applique somewhere and it sticks on. Just cut that out. And now we have our instant applique on the back, and that now makes it fusible. So in order to then use it on our project, we score the back and peel that off. And now we have a tacky bit that we can put on the back. I'm actually not going to stick this on here, but that's what we would need to do. So I've already got all of these pieces ready to go. So we will do some stitching. Okay, so I'm using leather with the felt, I am using a size 16 needle, and also using the size 16 needle because I'm using a 12 weight thread. For this one I'm using Fruity, which is this gorgeous, it is cotton but gorgeous variegated thread because I want that bit of movement through my stitching. So I'll get those ready. For this project I also have WonderFil's Designer in the bobbin. And as always I have my open toe foot because it's my favorite. I like to use it because I can see where I'm going when I'm doing my embellishing. Let's get stitching. So I'm going to stitch around each of these hexagons, and I'm just going to do a straight stitch, but I'm going to do it bigger, so I'm going to go for a 3.25 I think, and all I'm going to do is just stitch around each of these hexagons. And you can see by putting the the leather onto the felt, it's super easy. And we will just keep continuing. Just showing like that. So just stitch there. So pocket on the inside, and now